Hello, travelers. Welcome to the channel Hotel Tips. This is Sophia speaking. Today I'm going to talk about an amazing hotel located in Orlando, Florida, one of the most sought-after destinations in the world for tourism, leisure, and family fun. The link to make your reservation and ask questions about the hotel is in the video description or in the QR code next to your screen. Just scan it and you'll go straight to the hotel's page. Enjoy, leave your like, and subscribe to the channel. Now come along with me and check it all out. I'm talking about the spectacular Margaritaville Resort Orlando, which even comes with an amazing bonus, the Island H2O water park. Let's find out if this paradise is really worth it. Stick with me. Let's start with the location. Margaritaville is in Kissimmee, Florida, at the most fitting address possible, 8,000 Fins Up Circle. Fins Up is like the cheers or salute among fans of Jimmy Buffett, the singer who inspired the entire resort. Location is a big advantage here. You're literally just minutes from the Disney complex, and Animal Kingdom's gate is the closest of them all. Getting there is super quick. But the best part is, you don't even need to leave the resort to have fun. Right next to the hotel is Sunset Walk, a huge open-air complex with tons of restaurants, shops, and live music entertainment. Perfect for your evenings. Now let's talk about what makes Margaritaville so special. Get ready. Island H2O Water Park, the crown jewel. Resort guests get easy access to this incredible water park full of slides, a lazy river, and wave pools. It's non-stop fun for the whole family, literally in your backyard. Hotel Beach Club. Besides the water park, the hotel has its own stunning pools with real sand, hundreds of loungers, and a Caribbean beach vibe. It's the perfect place to chill with a drink in hand. Saint Somewhere Spa. If you're looking for deep relaxation, the resort offers a full spa with massages and treatments. A true oasis. Music and entertainment. The vibe is festive. There's always live music happening, both by the pools and at Sunset Walk. When it comes to accommodation, Margaritaville gives you two worlds. First, you have the traditional hotel rooms in the main tower. They're super modern with a clean and tropical decor, private balconies, and all the comfort you'd expect. But the real standout, in my opinion, is the cottages. These are private homes ranging from 1 to 8 bedrooms spread throughout the resort. They're perfect for big families or groups of friends. You get your own fully equipped kitchen, living room, laundry area. It's the comfort of a home with all the perks of a luxury resort. Amazing, right? So let's quickly recap the highlights of Margaritaville Resort Orlando. Unique atmosphere. You'll truly feel like you're on a tropical island vacation. The decor, the music, everything creates an immersive, relaxing experience. On-site water park. Having Island H2O just steps away from your room is a huge bonus, especially for families with kids. Flexible accommodations. Whether you want a hotel room or a private house, there are options for every traveler and budget. All-in-one entertainment. With Sunset Walk right there, you've got great dining and entertainment options without even needing your car. My conclusion? Margaritaville Resort Orlando is totally worth it. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking for more than just a place to crash after the parks. It's a full-on experience, a destination in itself. Ideal for families, groups, and anyone who wants to add an extra dose of tropical fun and relaxation to their Orlando vacation. Add it to your list. This place is a real hidden gem. So, did you like the tip? Then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you already knew about Margaritaville. That's it for this Hotel Tips episode. See you next time. Bye.